to my channel. So as you guys know, Valentine's Day is coming around. Those of you who are celebrating, me myself, I will not be, but for all my single people out there, let me know what we doing for Valentine's Day, okay? Holla at me in the comments. Today is actually February 5th. If you can see that, you probably can, but it's okay, because I just told you. Anyway, so today is February 5th, so we have exactly 10 days. Oh, I'm lying. 9 days. I was like 15th or 14th. I can't remember. I ain't celebrating anyway, so I ain't got no man or whatever, but it's okay. Anyway, we have 4 days. I mean, fuck. 9 days. 9 days until Valentine's Day. So I know a bunch of y'all, you know, got y'all little boos and y'all like, oh, I gotta look cute. If y'all looking for a nice little glam look for Valentine's Day, I got you, boo. I got you on lock, okay? So just stay tuned and keep watching, and you'll see how I got this look. Gotcha. So let's get to the video.
I remember feeling like I wasn't good enough. Had me questioning myself, I wasn't sure enough. Had me looking in the mirror trying.
First things first. I use this new dip by e.l.f. Okay, it don't want to show, whatever. Anyway, I use this new dip by e.l.f. It's really good. But I got it too dark, so next time I know to get the lighter one. But that's what I use for my my eyebrows. But anyway, so now onto your eyelids. So we're gonna start off with, I'm going into, oh Jesus God. So it broke, but my eyeshadows still together, so it don't matter. But anyway, I go into my NYX Brights palette by NYX, and it's dirty on the back, Jesus. Anyway, this is my NYX Brights palette, and I am going to take this pink, this bright pink right here. I'm gonna take this bright pink and I'm gonna pack it in my crease. That's packed in there now. So now I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush right here. This is my hard candy palette right here, and I am going to use this bright pink to blend this out, and I'm gonna go right above where I just put that in. This, and I'm gonna go here, grab that pink. Gonna go back into my Brights palette right here, and I'm going to take this pink and this pink and mix them together with that same brush, and just it's gonna blend all of these different shades together. Now, since that is blended out now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into my hard candy palette right here. Let me put it on this side. I'm going back into this palette, but I'm going to take a smaller blending, I can't talk, a smaller blending brush, Jesus, and I'm going to take this red over here, right here. I'm gonna take that red and I'm gonna go into my crease some more, blend it in. This brush, that flat brush again, and I'm going back in with that hot pink some more. just so that hot pink don't get lost. Go back in it with that red. Go below it. You don't want to like blend it in too much with that pink. You want to go below it. I'm going to take this small detail brush and I'm going to go in my hard candy palette, and that red I just had, I'm going to pick that up on this brush. Pick that red up. But when I pick that up, I'm also going to blend it with this, and we're going to make with this purple right here. And this is the Maybelline Soda Pop palette by Maybelline. Taking that pink, that purple, and that red from hard candy, and I'm putting those together. Yes, I am. And I'm going to put this and I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Cool Tan, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. But I'm going to start in the middle. I look so fat in this camera right now. Now we're gonna move on to the actual process of putting the eyeshadow and then the glitter, which we really don't need the eyeshadow, but whatever, I did it anyway. I didn't know how this is gonna come out, y'all. I really didn't. I still don't know how it's gonna come out, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna grab a flat brush, small little flat brush like this, and then I'm going back into that hard candy palette right here. This time I'm taking this color right here. So I'm gonna take this color. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Then I'm applying that to the beginning of my cut crease. Before I move on to the next color, I'm not going to do the middle. I'm going to do the end, only because it kind of sets the tone for the middle. I'm going to get that red again from the hard candy palette, and I'm going to mix it with the purple again from the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. So this is cherry on top. So we're going to go in on cherry on top. It kind of gives you that like a red violet kind of color. And I'm just going like starting here and working it in. You're going to go into this color right here. You're going to apply this color in the middle, but you're going to have another step to go. You're going to grab a bigger flat brush like this. I'm going to take that pink and start applying it to my middle section. And grab that hot pink too. my freaking camera always cut off on me, and I don't understand why. I hope I got all that. If not, y'all, I'm sorry. But I'm putting on my foundation now. But basically, it's something. I'm so upset right now. My camera died on me. But basically, I don't know what I didn't get, but with the eyeshadow, blend everything, add glue, and put your glitter on and call it a day, sis. I don't know how to describe it, son. But that just made me mad. So after I put on my concealer, I'm gonna blend it out. Handy dandy Airspun powder that you can barely see, and I'm going to powder my face with it. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I never baked a day in my life before I got this stuff. You hear me? Do you hear me? Take my setting spray. And I'm gonna use this for my highlight. These two maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Baby, I'm gonna blend this side out a little bit more. Baby, that is nice. Then I'm taking this matte lipstick that I got from the beauty supply store. Yes, the beauty supply store. And I'm gonna put this on. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now I'm gonna go in with my holographic lip gloss. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am, Pam, okay. And baby, that is how you do it. You can do it. Whoa, that's embarrassing. 2 of my braids came out. Thanks for that. This is it, guys. This is the finished look. Let me know what y'all think in the comment box below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and share this video. And then I'll see y'all in the next one, alright? Bye. Keep watching and all that good stuff, okay? Keep watching this video. I hope you have if you have a boyfriend, he got something special planned for y'all. So when but anyway, so I know a lot you're probably looking for, you know, a nice glam look, something, you know, to make you look good. You know, me, I will be riding solo dolo. Ooh, bitch, what just happened? I know you lying. Disrespect, the fuck? Hi guys, it's Lil Unique and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know, Valentine's Day is coming around, baby. Well, you know, so yeah. You know, I know a lot of y'all got some stuff planned with your old man or whatever. Make sure you check out some more videos on our page. Share, share, share. Share the love, guys. Share the love. You celebrate with your old man. Girl, these lights is making me hot, Jesus. I can't even lie. Whoo, boy, I'm high. Listen. Anyway, I'm so happy that you clicked on your girl. So make sure you thumbs up this video, like, comment, subscribe, share. Okay, go ahead and share. Babies, baby. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? See that? Oh yeah. We have 9 days until what's the holiday? As y'all can see, my little cute little background or whatever. But yeah, so y'all want something more subtle, just go ahead and leave a comment in the box below and let me know, sis, and I got you. Let's get into this look, sis. Let's get into this face. Let's get into this beat. Can we please get into it? These lights keep changing on me, but it's okay because I still look good. Yeah. I think that's it.